Welcome to another lesson from Big Sean's Detroit 2. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Lucky Me. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So this entire song is made up of two chords, the first of which is a D flat major chord. So you're going to bar the 9th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 11th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 11th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 10th fret of the G string. And then next is a C major chord. So you're just going to take the D flat major chord and move it down 1 fret. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Lucky Me. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.